everyone, welcome to my Get a Great Guy Guide review. When I hear about women having dating and relationship problems, I hear the same theme of issues coming out every time. You can find a man, but not the right man. Or it may be a case of not being able to hang on to them for more than a few dates. Similarly, it may be a case of feeling as though all the quality men have been snapped up, and all that are left are ones that you aren't attracted to. Have you ever felt as though all of this is sometimes out of your control? The ones you are attracted to are already married or in relationships, and the single ones that you do end up dating don't seem to last. Your dating record may be characterized by a string of dismal failures, but after all that time you still aren't any closer to getting the one. For all the women that share with me their dating and attraction issues, there are as many products out there that promise you the holy grail. They promise to take you in hand, and teach you how to dress, act, behave, even down to how you hold your body. Sure, many women follow this advice blindly, in the hope that they can be convincing enough to get a guy's attention. But isn't a relationship about much more than just getting the guy? That's where author Mirabelle Summers has a striking point of difference. In her ironically named Get a Guy Guide, the first thing she professes is that it's not about getting the guy as it is gaining the knowledge, skills, and ability to be authentic, creative, and irresistibly attractive. Rather than catching the guy, it's about freeing yourself from your past limitations, and getting in touch with your most attractive self, and letting this guide you to living the lifestyle of your wildest dreams. Empowering stuff, huh? When I started to flick through this book, I was surprised at how applicable this stuff really is. If what Mirabelle is telling you in the book doesn't get through completely, she reinforces those thoughts and ideas with exercises, called actionable attraction challenges. It's a great way of reinforcing the strong mindsets and concepts coming through in her revolutionary take on dating and your attitude. In fact, this 250-plus page ebook is literally bursting with dating and attraction advice and tips that will turn your life around. It's like having your own mentor or personal success coach right there in front of you. Why would you be interested in it? Because the approach you have taken to dating and attraction hasn't worked for you thus far. You may have achieved success in other endeavors in your life, like your career and your friends, but your relationships have remained the great unknown. Now it's time to find out what you can do to empower and prepare yourself for the right man and relationship when it comes along. Rather than focusing on finding out what men want, finding out what men do wrong, and finding ways to trick them into wanting you, this book is going to teach you methods to develop your attitude and inner attraction so that you are able to see attraction when it happens, and know how to maintain it. Do you want to simply observe your love life, or do you want to participate? If you are serious about making positive changes in your approach to men, and getting to the bottom of attraction, then this book is essential to helping you move forward. Everybody has areas in their life that they feel they can improve on or wish they could do better, and the fundamental first step is in believing that change is possible. The next step is to read this guide. Do you want to discover more about the kind of man you want? Do you want to recognize the ideal man when he comes along? Do you want to let go of the baggage and misconceptions that have previously held you back? Do you want to learn how to attract the right type of man into your life? Do you want to learn how to develop the right mindset that is going to draw men to you in a way you have never experienced? When you do attract him, do you want to know when to take it to the next level without jeopardizing your chances? Do you want to know what to expect from him, and what he expects from you in return, when you are in a relationship? Even for people that think they have what it takes already, there is still heaps in this book that can guide you towards making further improvements, and keep your relationship thriving. With a whopping 250-plus pages, it's attractively laid out, professionally designed, and contains everything you need to make concrete changes and bold steps toward dating success in your life. Best of all, you are going to love the price. Check it out. Get this guide and get your guy.